Hello, in front of me I've got 70 dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to use hand gestures. In the beginning, turn on the dashcam by pressing this button. Now, turn on again. Press this button again.
Please connect your app to activate the dashcam.
To turn on Wi-Fi or turn it off. Press it 4 times in a row. To format memory card. Press it 5 times in a row. To reset to factory settings. Press and hold for 3 seconds to turn off device. Press and hold for about 15 seconds to force shut down the device. Press once to confirm connection authorization. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.